The quantity that is not conserved in an inelastic collision is A. Momentum, B. Kinetic energy, C. Total energy, D. All of these. The correct answer is kinetic energy. A freely suspended magnet remains horizontal at A. The magnet equator, B. The magnetic North Pole, C. The magnetic South Pole, D. The geographic pole. The correct answer is the magnet equator. According to Rutherford's atomic model, the electrons inside an atom are A. Centralized, B. Not stationary, C. Stationary, D. None of these. The correct answer is not stationary. Rainbow is formed due to a combination of A. Refraction and scattering, B. Dispersion and total internal reflection, C. Refraction and absorption, D. Dispersion and focusing. The correct answer is dispersion and total internal reflection. Kirchhoff's laws are applicable to A. DC circuits only, B. AC circuits only, C. DC and AC circuits both, D. None of the above. The correct answer is DC and AC circuits both. The frequency used in TV and radar system lies in A. VHF, B. HF, C. SHF, D. UHF. The correct answer is UHF. Who indirectly determined the mass of the electron by measuring the charge of the electron? A. Thomson, B. Millikan, C. Rutherford, D. Einstein. The correct answer is Millikan. Atomic hydrogen has a life period of A. 1 hour, B. 1 day, C. 1 minute, D. a fraction of a second. The correct answer is a fraction of a second. The dimension of Planck constant equals to that of A. energy, B. momentum, C. angular momentum, D. power. The correct answer is angular momentum. Heavy water is used in nuclear reactor to A. slow down neutron, B. absorb neutron, C. increase temperature, D. increase speed of neutron. The correct answer is increase speed of neutron. The number of waves per second in a sound is called dash of that sound. A. velocity, B. frequency, C. displacement, D. acceleration. The correct answer is frequency. God particle is A. neutrino, B. Higgs boson, C. meson, D. positron. The correct answer is Higgs boson. Boyle's law relates to A. kinetic theory of gases, B. viscosity of liquids, C. elasticity of solids, D. plasticity of solids. The correct answer is kinetic theory of gases. Fleming's left-hand rule is associated with the effect of A. electric field on current, B. magnetic field on magnet, C. electric field on magnet, D. magnetic field on current. The correct answer is magnetic field on current. If electric resistance is to be decreased, then the number of resistance should be connected in dash A. series, B. parallel, C. mixed arrangement, D. none of the above. The correct answer is parallel. Which of the following is not reversible? A. Joule effect, B. Peltier effect, C. Seebeck effect, D. Thomson effect. The correct answer is Joule effect. Which of the following is preferred for accelerating electrons? A. betatron, B. cyclotron, C. synchrotron, D. Van de Graaff generator. The correct answer is betatron. Which of the following experiments analyzed the Fraunhofer lines of the solar spectrum? A. Bar class experiment on scattering of X-rays, B. Lamb-Rutherford experiment. C. Geiger and Marsden's experiment on scattering of alpha particles. D. Bunsen and Kirchhoff's experiment. The correct answer is Bunsen and Kirchhoff's experiment. Which of the following features of a tunnel diode is its drawback? A. Extremely high frequency response. B. Very wide temperature range of operations. C. Instability due to negative resistance. D. Very low power consumptions. The correct answer is instability due to negative resistance. Atomic packing factor of body-centered cubic structure, BCC, is A. 0.63, B. 0.68, C. 0.69, D. 0.73. The correct answer is 0.68. Number of lattices in the orthorhombic system is A. 4, B. 5, C. 7, D. 8. The correct answer is 7. At constant pressure, the volume of a fixed mass of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. It is the statement of A. Boyle's law, B. Charles' law, C. Gay-Lussac's law, D. Avogadro's law. The correct answer is Charles' law. Choose the correct answer. A thermodynamic state function is a quantity A. used to determine heat changes, B. whose value is independent of path, C. used to determine pressure volume work, D. whose value depends on temperature only. The correct answer is whose value is independent of path. In uniform circular motion, the linear velocity perpendicular to A. radius, B. force, C. radius vector, D. momentum. The correct answer is radius vector. Red light has a wavelength of 7000 A degree. In nm, it is A. 7 nm, B. 0.07 nm, C. 70 nm, D. 700 nm. The correct answer is 700 nm. Sound waves do not show the phenomenon of A. refraction, B. interference, C. diffraction, D. polarization. The correct answer is polarization. In a magnetic field, the direction of motion of a current-carrying conductor is given by A. Maxwell's right-hand rule, B. Lenz's rule, C. Fleming's left-hand rule, D. Kirchhoff's law. The correct answer is Fleming's left-hand rule. A metal semiconductor junction diode is called dash. A. Schottky diode, B. photodiode, C. tunnel diode, D. p-n junction diode. The correct answer is Schottky diode. 1 mho is equivalent to A. 1 eV, B. 931 eV, C. 931 keV, D. 931 MeV. The correct answer is 931 MeV. The impurity atoms with which silicon should be doped to make p-type semiconductors are A. phosphorus, B. antimony, C. boron, D. germanium. The correct answer is boron. In a nuclear reactor, cadmium rods used to A. absorb excess neutrons, B. absorb the heat produced, C. slow down fast neutrons, D. prevent the fuel rods from coming in contact with one another. The correct answer is absorb excess neutrons. A small piece of a substance is weakly attracted by a strong magnetic field. The substance is A. diamagnetic, B. ferromagnetic, C. paramagnetic, D. non-magnetic. The correct answer is paramagnetic. The moment of inertia of a body does not depend upon A. the mass of the body, B. the mass distribution in the body, C. the angular speed of the body, D. The axis of rotation of the body. The correct answer is the angular speed of the body. In a Carnot engine, when heat is taken from the source, its temperature A remains constant, B decreases, C increases, D decreases and then remains constant. The correct answer is remains constant. The velocity of falling rain drops attains a terminal value because of A. Surface tension, B. Air current, C. Upward thrust due to air, D. Viscous force exerted by air. The correct answer is viscous force exerted by air. The lift of an aeroplane is caused by A. Law of gravitation, B. Theorem of continuity, C. Puzzle's law, D. Bernoulli's theorem. The correct answer is Bernoulli's theorem. Which of the following characteristics of light remains unchanged when light travels from vacuum enters water? A. Speed, B. Amplitude, C. Frequency, D. Wavelength. The correct answer is frequency. The refractive index of a transparent medium is maximum for A. Red light, B. Violet light, C. Yellow light, D. Green light. The correct answer is violet light. The illuminating powers of two sources are compared by A. A spectrometer, B. A photometer, C. A polarimeter, D. A fluxmeter. The correct answer is a photometer. The wave theory of light can explain A. Compton effect, B. Photoelectric effect, C. Black body spectrum, D. Interference of light. The correct answer is interference of light. The wave of theory of light is based on A. The laws of reflection, B. The laws of refraction, C. The inverse square law, D. Huygens principle. The correct answer is Huygens principle. The unit of magnetic permeability is A. Henry meter, B. Henry, C. Weber, D. Weber meter. The correct answer is Henry meter. The domain theory of magnetism applies to A. Aluminium, B. Copper, C. Silver, D. Cobalt. The correct answer is cobalt. The paramagnetic theory of magnetism applies to A. Nickel, B. Mercury, C. Iron, D. Platinum. The correct answer is platinum. Due to temperature variation along a conductor, potential variation occurs along it. This phenomenon is known as A. Thomson effect, B. Joule effect, C. Seebeck effect, D. Peltier effect. The correct answer is Thomson effect. What is the law in which under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gas contain equal number of molecules? A. Coriolis effect, B. Graham's law, C. Pascal's law, D. Avogadro's law. The correct answer is Avogadro's law.